Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to share your file in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to share your file in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to share your file in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here's our file. Here's our file. Okay, double click on here. I can edit it. Okay, now let's share. Click on share. Okay, here, anyone with the link. Now, what he can do, viewer, commenter, editor. Okay, as a viewer, copy link and done. Let's open incognito. Okay, let's paste the link. Here is the file. Now we're viewing as the other person who you share with. He just can't edit anything, he's just a viewer. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to share your file in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.